So inversions, we do specific inversions in the Brahma Shakti Yoga. Why do we do this? Because it increases blood flow to the brain, energizing the brain, but also the major benefit of inversions is anti-aging. Yeah? The Hindus speak about Amrit Bindu, which is a reservoir of golden fluid, the golden elixir of life. And when all those drops have dropped down and the reservoir is empty, then our life is over. So to reverse that process or to slow down that process, the ancient sages said inversion, and we can reverse the flow of aging. That's why many yogis look younger than their normal counterparts.
Shoulder stand, Salambhasa Vangasana, lay down. Inhale, up, straight legs, point the toes, hands supporting the hips, hips forward, feet back, dristi, tip of the nose, 9 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Exhale down, straight legs, halasana. Catch the hands behind the back. Point the toes, lift the hips, strong legs. Dristi, tip of the nose. 9 breaths. 1, 2, 3. Dristi, tip of the nose. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Kanapindasana, close the ears with the knees. Dristi, tip of the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Support the hips with the hands, Urdhva Padmasana. Take lotus position. Hands underneath the knees. Straight back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Drop the knees, Pindasana. Catch the hands round the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Release. Into Matsyasana. Arch the back. Don't release the lotus. Top of the head on the floor. Catching the big toes. Uddiyana in, open the chest, breathe into the top of the lungs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Release the legs. Don't change the head position. Uttana Padasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Exhale down. Inhale, Chakrasana. Straight into Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Pincha Mayurasana. A little bit difficult. Nice if you have a teacher with you that can help. You need strong shoulders and you need strong hands. We'll be using the bandhas. So, lift the hips, look forward slightly, activate the hands, inhale, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we'll do some variations of headstand, Asana. First, we'll do the traditional headstand. Elbows same width as the forearms. Hands forward, cup the hands. Bring the knees to the chest. Inhale, up. Point the toes, Uddiyana engaged. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Half bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale up. Transition with the hands into C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale down. Balasana. If you can't manage the transition yet, bring the palms of the hands to the floor. You can do them as separate headstands. D, this time drop the forearms, catch the elbows, head on the floor. Hands are in front of the face. Inhale up, straight legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Transition. Release the arms, palms to the floor, elbows at 90 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Exhale down. Balasana. 8 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try one more variation. Head down, top of the hands on the floor. Inhale, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale down. Take Balasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,